Slides Orator AI is one of the best just released AI tools that's quickly making a name for itself in the world of presentation software. In this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it before you jump in. Whether you're new to the software or thinking of integrating it into your workflow, stay tuned because by the end of this, you'll know exactly what it can do for you. First off, Slides Orator AI isn't just another presentation tool. It's a game changer for anyone looking to quickly create professional, engaging slideshows. If you're tired of the same old PowerPoint designs and want something fresh, this software uses cutting-edge AI to not only help you design your slides, but also automatically generate content, ensuring that you spend less time on formatting and more on the message you're trying to deliver. The AI is designed to learn from the context you provide and offers smart design suggestions that improve the overall aesthetics of your slides. Whether you're presenting to a small group or a large audience, it ensures your slides have visual appeal and clarity. You can instantly generate text content, charts and visuals that align with your topic, saving you hours of design work. What's unique about Slides Orator AI is its built-in speech enhancement. As the name suggests, it's not just about the slides, it also optimizes the way you present. If you're someone who gets nervous about public speaking, the AI can help you craft your speech, provide tips on pacing, and even suggest ways to improve your delivery. This is perfect for anyone looking to not just create slides, but also become a better presenter overall. You'll also find that it integrates well with other tools, which makes it easy to collaborate. Whether you're working with a team or need to import content from other platforms, the seamless integration ensures you spend less time troubleshooting and more time getting your presentation ready. For people who want to get the most out of this software, you'll find plenty of customization options. From customizing color schemes and fonts to uploading your own media, Slides Orator AI gives you the freedom to make your presentation truly unique. It's also incredibly intuitive, no steep learning curve here, which makes it a great choice for anyone, even if you've never worked with AI-powered tools before. Another major perk is the ability to generate presentations on the fly. If you have a meeting or a deadline coming up and need something fast, you can rely on Slides Orator AI to create a polished presentation in minutes. With its time-saving features, you can focus on the substance rather than the formatting, which is a huge plus for busy professionals and content creators alike. Now, let's talk about pricing. Slides Orator AI offers a free trial, and you can start exploring its features without committing upfront. And if you like what you see, the pricing plans are pretty flexible, making it a great investment for anyone who frequently makes presentations. Of course, it's always best to test it for yourself, and you can do that completely free from the first link below. To sum it up, Slides Orator AI is an incredibly powerful tool for creating stunning, effective presentations without the hassle. Its AI-driven design, speech enhancement features, and integration capabilities make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their presentations. If you've ever struggled with creating professional slides or getting your presentation just right, this software is definitely worth considering. As always, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've listed my top recommended ones in the description, so you can try them for free. Don't miss out. Check the link below to get started.